In this video, I'll be doing a full review about Paidera. Okay, so according to the website here, it said you turn your time into money, you work online, okay, and you get paid. Okay, so let's go through their website together, and at the ending I'll tell you whether this platform is scam or legit. Okay, see, working online has become easy without any pressure experience. Okay, so you scroll down, you see you unlimited tasks available. We provide unlimited tasks to complete every day, make no limits. That means there's no limit of tasks available. That means unlimited amount of tasks available on the platform, meaning there's no limit to the amount you can earn a day. Okay, so they will pay you if you invite friends. Okay, that's nice. Instant payment: when you reach the minimum payment payout, then you get paid instantly. Okay, payment is available 24/7. You can withdraw anytime. Okay, so what they offer: sign up taxes. So maybe when you sign up or subscribe to some website or some offers. Okay, complete surveys. Okay, they are offering multiple surveys. Uploading videos have become more profitable. That means uploading video, watching videos online, okay, on their platform, inviting friends, writing about them, writing article and post about them. That means writing review about them. Okay, so and they say all in one. That means all their earning opportunity available in one space. That means if you register on their website, you earn by writing review about them, inviting friends, signing up on some website offers, completing survey, watching videos. Okay, so according to their website here, they say they have over 930,000 members and over 7.8 million completed taxes and over 15-16k payments sent. Okay, so they say why you should choose them: complete tasks that are very easy for you, complete surveys, take unlimited quizzes whenever. Okay, invite your friends and family, avoid working in multiple sites to gain. Okay, so these are some payout proof. Okay, you can see these are some withdrawal proof. We get $30. You can see this guy is from Morocco. Okay, let me scroll down bit by bit. Okay, these are under payments here again. $30. You can see March 2022 from Morocco. This is under payment again. $30, $20 paid. You can see the dates. Okay, these are some payments proof from Paidera. Okay, so this points out that the platform is actually cool enough. 9th of March, you can see. Let's go through the. Is under pay $36. Okay, under payment $20. And these are people writing their reviews themselves. This guy is from India. I said, today I'm back with another payment proof from Paidera. I received my 10th payout and I'm really happy to share my experience. Okay, and this is screenshot of his 10 payments and even drop a video where you can watch. Okay, so when you scroll down again, this guy is from Indonesia. He got paid how much? He got paid $35 from Paidera. Cool. This guy said from Morocco, he got paid $30.4 from Paidera. This guy $32.6. So there are a lot of payout proof available. This shows that the platform is actually legit, and you can see these are not fake screenshot, they are real. Okay, and there are some with videos to show that this platform is actually cool. So you might be wanting to ask some question, so let's go over to some frequently asked question on the platform. So basically, what is Paidera? Paidera is a multi-stream income generating website containing different methods and ways to make money online so easily for people around the world, meaning it's available worldwide. Okay, how to make money: you sign up and discover your user dashboard to make your revenue. On your dashboard you see surveys, paid quizzes, multiple tax channels, writing posts, promoting videos and referring friends. Okay, how much can you make? There's no limit, as I've said before. When they say they have unlimited surveys and offers for you, that means there's no limit to what you can earn on this platform. The more time you spend, the more money you make. Cool. Okay, see how time I can work. Say you can work as much as you can. Okay, is my country accepted? All country are accepted on Paidera. So what type of survey you will be seeing? You'll be seeing surveys from called market research, that means from big business. Okay, so it's about like marketing research whereby a company wants to review about something, maybe a product or a service. So you'll come over to this website, right? They post the survey, so you guys will complete. Okay, so how can I make money from paid survey? It's very easy. You complete it. When you complete it, you make money from it. So what, there are many survey available, but I think you say survey may contain more than 10 questions. Some might contain more, and I think there are some qualification question for some survey. Okay, for the quizzes, there are many things you can know, and there are taxes, unlimited taxes. Okay, so tax reward is in cents. And how this work? Currency is in cents. Okay, which means 100 cents is equals to $1, 50 cents is equals to $0.5. So if the tax is paying you 18 cents, that's $0.18. And for the payment, what is minimum threshold? You can choose your preferred threshold. Okay, meaning I think there's no minimum threshold. You can set it, maybe you want $10, $15, $30. Okay, so how much time it takes for me to receive my payment? Usually take 15 business days. Oh, so it takes 15 business days for them to pay you. Okay, and sometimes less depending on the request queue. That means there are a lot of people requesting for payouts, so usually take 15 business days maximum or less. Okay, so now you can see that this and lastly, do you need referral to receive payment? No, you don't need referral, because some platform might say you should refer before you can get paid, but this platform don't need referral at all. Is You can get paid without referral. So you can see that this platform is actually cool to start with. Okay, so for you to register, you click on create an account, and you see you be directed to this page. Okay, create an account and start making money. Join today and make 15 plus 15% more for all completed taxes. But you can see one more step: please take at least one survey before signing up. So before you sign up, you have to take at least one survey. So to take the survey, you have to click here, you take the survey, then you have to register, put in your phone number, your email address, your name, your country. Okay, and this is what you be making money from: taking surveys, downloading apps, doing taxes, inviting friends, uploading videos, writing short article, and many more. Okay, so it's very easy. Just come over to paidera.com, paidera.com. It's very easy to get started. Paidera.com. Okay, and you can start making money from them, because there are a lot of payout proof on the platform. Okay, you can see them yourself. There are some payout proof, so I don't want you to miss out on this. You don't need any skills to start making this income. Okay, online, you don't need any skill. Is available worldwide. You can just come over maybe one your free time and start making over $30, $40 per day. Okay, because there's no limit on how you can make money on this platform. The more you work, the more money you earn. Okay, so in conclusion, I would say you should join this platform. Okay, it's actually legit, it's not scam. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this platform, you can comment down below. Okay, I always reply to comments immediately. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, okay, my Instagram link is in the description of this video. You can contact me if you have any question or you want help with anything. So that will be all for today. Please do register on Paidera if you are looking to make your first dollar online. Okay, for those that don't have any skills, okay, I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity, because there are some latest payouts on this platform. Okay, so come over to paidera.com, click on create account, you'll be directed to this page. Very easy. Then click here and register. Okay, very easy. And you can refer your friend to earn more. I don't know the percentage you earn, but you can refer your friend to earn more and start receiving paper withdrawal like this. Okay, so that will work for today. Do have a nice day.